Basic grammar quiz. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Attempt all the questions. The bike won't be ready. Gap Saturday. My birthday is Gap July. The exam is Gap the 10th of April. She is leaving Gap December. He started working Gap 6 a.m. Don't call my phone Gap anytime. Do we have a meeting Gap Friday evening? We made it to the exam Gap time. She lost her bag Gap Beach. He learned French Gap the age of 15. It is Gap time you told her the truth. She is always Gap time. I am returning to Singapore Gap the end of the year. I left the house Gap midnight. She is very fond Gap drinking green tea. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.